Have you ever wondered what the future holds for the cryptocurrency market? With all the uncertainty and volatility in this industry, it is natural to be concerned. Many experts are talking about recession, a world in crisis, and how the yen carry trade could destabilize everything. But these dire predictions fail to take into account one crucial element: the economic cycle. Today, we'll dive into the predictions of renowned macroeconomic investor Raoul, exploring what could happen to Bitcoin, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies in the near future. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Why does everyone seem to ignore the economic cycle? Most cryptocurrency investors don't seem to understand the cyclical nature of the markets. This isn't the moment when everything collapses, it's just a small hiccup in a larger picture. When we talk about a macro spasm, we are not talking about an impending collapse, but a mild slowdown that, if not properly understood, can seem more serious than it actually is. For example, in 2018 we saw a macro spasm that had a significant impact on the economy, pushing it into recession. But if you are aware of the business cycle, you will know that these slowdowns are part of the overall growth process. The key point is this: when we are in a market expansion, as we are now, these spasms are just little bumps along the way. As M2, the gauge of money supply, expands, we see that financial conditions are improving. Interest rates and the value of the dollar are falling, a sign that the market is entering a growth phase. This is when the Nasdaq starts to see significant gains, and we expect it to continue that way. In fact, we are already seeing signs of this movement, with the Nasdaq starting to rise rapidly. When talking about M2, it is important to understand what it represents for the economy. M2 measures the money supply in the economy, including cash, bank deposits, and other liquid assets. When M2 is growing, it is a sign that the economy is expanding. Over the past 2 years, we have seen M2 contract, but now we are seeing it recover. This is a crucial factor for the cryptocurrency market, especially for Bitcoin. There is a direct correlation between global M2 and the price of Bitcoin. As global M2 starts to grow, we expect Bitcoin to follow this trend. So as we navigate this summer sideways phase, it's important to remember that large institutions are accumulating Bitcoin. For example, BlackRock currently holds over 1.67% of all Bitcoin that will ever exist. In recent days, we have seen positive flows into Bitcoin ETFs, with 60% of the largest hedge funds disclosing that they own Bitcoin ETFs. While some individual investors may be hesitant, institutions are accumulating significantly. Turning to Solana, the SEC recently delayed approval of the Solana ETF, raising concerns about whether Solana could be considered a stock. This has led to a slowdown in the approval process for Solana ETFs. In effect, the SEC has temporarily suspended the approval process, and ETF issuers, such as 21 Shares and Van Eck, will have to wait for further clarification. This raises an interesting question: how do we evaluate the regulatory clarity the SEC is providing to entrepreneurs in the cryptocurrency space? When Solana co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko was asked to rate the SEC's transparency on a scale of 1 to 10, he gave a resounding 1. Under Hinman, there was some clarity, but with Gary Gensler at the helm, there's a lot more confusion, especially for those who have decided to build a career in this industry in the United States. Now, let's talk about meme coins. Solana is just one example of how cryptocurrencies can be influenced by external factors. For example, Sundog, a meme coin launched on the Tron network, has recently attracted a lot of attention, reaching a valuation of over $200 million. This is especially interesting because Tron, known as an Ethereum competitor, has been kept alive primarily by stablecoin volume in Asian markets. Surprisingly, Tron is approaching its 2021 all-time highs, a milestone that many other cryptocurrencies, including Solana, have failed to reach. But beware, meme coins are extremely volatile. Sundog, for example, has seen an 88% increase in a single day, but it could easily collapse. Investors should be cautious and do their research before investing. The meme coin market is notorious for its volatility, and the risk of total loss is always around the corner. Finally, a quick look at other cryptocurrency news. Base Blockchain is making significant progress with its summer on-chain campaign, partnering with Atari X to bring classic games to the blockchain. This could be a turning point for blockchain adoption in gaming. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, with many opportunities and risks. Understanding the economic cycle and staying informed about the latest trends is essential to navigate this complex world. With that said, thanks for following us this far. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news in the crypto world and not waste a crypto adventure, hit that follow button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.